しな。この爪の餌食になってもらうよ。
初戦の相手はブラックキャット。生身の挑戦者は大量の魂に対抗できるか。
猫に急所あり。魂は分裂し、思念を共有する。
おっと、まさか秘技ないん
Left safe.
いいだよ、私の思念体。これでも食らえ。
Light parties, light parties.
切り刻む。
Look where she's going. Melian. Will be light parties after. Also physical damage next. Physical raid bud. Maybe crossback. In this hypothetical example, the DPS would be on like Charlie's side.
Yes.
Okay. It's a slam, slam.
Slam.
Uppercut.
Oh, that's helpful because it's hard to see.
Uppercut.
Crossover.
Okay.
Okay. EPS would be on C-ish.
Yeah. Last one's the slam. Stay on this side.
Look for the safe corners after the buster. Start looking for the safe corners.
I'm getting Katsu. I got Katsu. Flashing right. Left is safe. Cross.
One.
Protean.
Look where she is.
Do the dodge. I got Arya.
I got.
That was a left
4.
dash.
I'll move the boss.
Left is safe. Here is safe.
Alright.
Let's flight parties.
Inside the.
Cross. After.
Okay, so
I'm moving the boss again.
line up.
Look at where the boss is pointing. She's just gonna shift.
Yep.
Can you pretty spots? If
Look
you're
at
marked,
4.
get out.
Look at 4. Look at 4. Use 4 to line yourself up.
If you're marked, get out. If you're not marked, get in. Oh, no. Watch the dodges. Dodges.
Dodge,
Dodges. Dodges.
dodge.
Dodges. Dodges. Oh fuck. Yeah.
Stay spread. Stay spread. Nice.
Yep. Recentering, break wide, I got prize on it. Hopefully it's easier to do if the boss was on. Okay.
この爪で切り裂けないものはないよ
Stay here.
DPS are gonna be doing it, and then supports tell us where we're standing. For the
DPS would be on the Delta side here, right? For the Braver.
Yeah.
Tanks
DPS
Bravo.
are doing the things.
DPS towards D.
It's a slam. It's a slam.
DPS towards D. Stack, stack, stack,
Stack, stack, stack.
Stack, stack. Braver, braver, braver.
Slam again.
Swap sides. Swap sides. DPS on
Braver,
D.
braver, braver.
DPS on D.
Last two are uppercuts.
Stack, stack. Next one will be braver.
The last one should be done on 2, we should know that.
Swap side.
Braver. Jackal move.
Nice.
Nicely done.
Get knocked back and spreads
After the Buster. Okay.
after the buster, and then we're doing invuln for the first 3 hits.
Apollo's far, right?
Follows
Yes,
far and
I'll
north,
be far.
Not too
I'll be
close.
far.
Party in the middle-ish. Look for the corner.
and not north is up.
I'm getting Jackal. I'm
And
getting
then-
Jackal.
For the 4th hit, slow take one of the tanks.
Party
everyone
stays
group
south,
south.
for now. Party stays south first. Let them grab the
Now
tethers.
you can go back north. Katsu, you can go back
この
north.
切れ味を
Let
楽しみ
let
な
Katsu grab the tether.
Katsu, you did not get it. Did not
Someone
get
has to
it.
go far.
Okay. I just lived one. Yeah.
When does slow take the tether?
After this next one, it's gonna be on the party. Please stay
Am I
stacked.
taking from Apollo or Katsu?
I will be dead. I will be dead. Just spread out.
Get the tethers out.
Oh, Arya. Heal everything.
Hilby, 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 Hilby.
おいで
Copycat.
私の
Got it.
分身
So
Just
go
don't
to
worry about the
easy-
cleave.
Yep. Go to the easy dodge and mitt the cleave.
Got it.
So you're dodging into 1.
D to 1.
In the very corner.
D to 1 very far.
But don't be in the corner yet. And then move into the corner.
Yeah.
Now go to the corner, just plant here and just move.
Left.
He's all mitts you have. All mitts you have. All mitts you have.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, gear. Don't meme the gear.